Welcome to Steel Construction Detailing. Shop drawing services play a vital role in the successful execution of construction projects by converting design concepts into precise, actionable information. At Steel Construction Detailing, we provide comprehensive shop drawing solutions that ensure accuracy, coordination, and constructability across all project phases. Our drawings clearly define dimensions, materials, fabrication details, connections, and installation requirements, enabling fabricators and contractors to work efficiently and confidently. We collaborate closely with architects, engineers, and project teams to identify and resolve potential clashes early, reducing errors, rework, and costly delays. Utilizing advanced detailing software and adhering strictly to international codes and standards, our team delivers reliable shop drawings for structural steel, miscellaneous metals, and complex assemblies. Our focus is on quality, precision, and timely delivery, helping projects stay on schedule and within budget. To learn more about our professional shop drawing services, visit us at www.steelconstructiondetailing.com.